I bought you these hot rollers for your Jim Morrison hair.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You'll have to show me how to use them.
It would be my pleasure.
They look like sperms. I just remembered I had a dream about you.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened?
We were flying to Disneyland on a giant carrot.
That's awesome.
I love Disneyland.
Yeah, me too. I think it's kind of scary, but I also love it.
So everybody clear on applying the rules of exponents? You guys with me? Don't leave me hanging. Give me a nod. That's good. Maybe even a verbal confirmation.
Yes.
Aha, thank you. That's what I like to hear. All right, so I'm going to be passing Dr. Graded quizzes. I urge you to find the problems where you went wrong and work them out.